This has been a great project out in Paris for our client IDI Logistics. They are building 3 large warehouses and they've been conditioned to do a significant infrastructure as part of their development. So that has included water, sewer, storm drain, recycled water, and street improvements for the surrounding area.
It involved multiple agencies, including City of Paris, County of Riverside, EMWD, Railroad as BNSF, SCRA, which we all had to coordinate and collaborate with.
I think the scale of this project is massive. It seems at first to be small projects here and there, but once you see the big picture, it's pretty impressive at how much this is going to impact the city of Paris in a positive way.
You know, these are huge distribution centers where a massive amount of semi-trucks are going to be coming in and out utilizing these facilities. IDI has widened Ellis Avenue and made it all concrete to make it a truck route. That goes up to Case Road. Case Road then comes up to Bonnie, and then Bonnie comes into the 215-74 on and off ramps right there.
The freeway off-ramp was really interesting to me because it was what seems like a simple project, but it actually had a lot more to it. For example, we had a large retaining wall, one of the biggest I've seen yet in my career. So that required a lot of planning and adjustments in the field.
Something that made this job interesting is that there was an active railroad. So it required our surveyors to become certified with BNSF.
You know, I've done a bunch of these distribution centers, and this is the first one that we actually had a railroad being constructed that brings the transportation right into the distribution center. So there was challenging at times with the coordination of, you know, working around the street improvements and traffic control, and then just learning all the BNSF specs and right-of-way issues and how to construct an actual railroad.
The Case Road Bridge is 100 years old, and so it's just 1 lane in each direction. It's very narrow, but they're going to have a nice wide bridge with 2 lanes in each direction, and it's going to cross the river there, and we've done a lot of efforts to make sure it's environmentally sensitive area, so we're being careful there to make sure it's done right.
This project is great for the city since it's bringing new jobs, improving infrastructure, and preparing for the future.
One of the most fulfilling parts of my job is that we get to be a part of every step of the project. We're there from the beginning all the way to the end, and we get to see all the work that everybody's put into it get paid off.
Just a couple weeks ago, actually, my daughter played soccer on Saturday morning, and it was about 5 minutes away from the site. So of course we took a detour with her and her friend on Case Road, and I gave the whole field trip on the way to her soccer game. And sometimes I don't realize how much I love my job and I love working with the people that I do. But in the moments like that, you look back and you really see, wow, we really are helping the community. We're doing a good job, we're doing an honest effort, and that always feels good.